Hello everyone, this is Mr. Dlamini. I have taken over Kara Sensei's kitchen, and as you can see, it is a round bowl of Sabudana. And whatever words I am speaking, it is not the same as the subtitles which you are seeing, so you might get confused, and that means you have to watch it again and again. But anyway, I was starting to show you how the Sabudana or a Sago as they call it, round balls. Do you people know that this Sabudana, it's actually or Sago is actually coming from a tree? It is, you see that juice coming from a tree. They collect it and then they make this Sago. I won't describe how exactly they make it because it seems a bit. There you can see. You notice the sink is already full. The drain is full with all the other stuff, and that was only because a lot of washing happened, and those little cans you can see there is all packed up for feeding the doggies on the ground. But anyway, as you can see, I have filled, or not me, Kara Sensei has filled up that Sago, and the potatoes have been peeled like magic, and the Sago was filled with drinking water. It is going to soak up all the water, and it was washed with tap water. Here at Kara Sensei's household, we don't drink the tap water, and look at the potatoes. They are also chopped up so quickly in chunks. So that just maybe half an hour, 2 hours later, look at this. How the Sago is plump. It is just plump. Oh, delicious it looks. And now the potatoes have miraculously gone into the pan, and as you can see, Kara Sensei is stirring it with the skillet, and he will put a lid on now. But no, he has taken the lid off also, and you can see that the potatoes are being fried, and you can see that is dane akut, as they say in Marathi, which is ground. Oh no, sorry, it is wrong. It is he's going to get very. It is what you call a cumin. That's the cumin seed. This is the only masala which Kara Sensei has used in this beautiful dish of no masala at all. Very. Look at this copper bottom pot. How I have come after a long break. You have to understand. Look at that plump balls. How that is soaked, and I am telling you, even I like it sticky. I like this Sabudana Khichadi or mishmash of Sago. I like it. It's delicious. Delicious. As you can see, he's holding one camera in one hand, and with there you can see is jaggery. Granulated jaggery, not much I must say. He hasn't put in much for. Remember, this Sago is going to get mixed up with a potato and salt. He's going to put all that. How? Not all that salt, I hope. No, it's just a very little salt, and I feel this much pink salt is less. But as is mentioned, that there is always time to add salt and whatever it is you want to add afterwards. Because if you already, that is where it has come from, the ground peanuts. That is even less. I am sure he will have to add in a bit afterwards. But anyway, what I was saying was you can always add it in afterwards. But how can you take out from whatever you have mixed up? Maybe potatoes. You can take out a little piece of potatoes. But the other ingredients like salt and pepper and oil, after cooking the meal, how can you take it out? So it's always best. If there are some people who can't take all that salt or sugar or jaggery or whatever, to add it in a little bit afterwards. But if you are cooking for the family, and look at that, so fast, already 4 minutes are up. Here is me. Look how delicious. I am going to taste it. It is delicious, I'm telling you. It is delicious. I have tasted it, and this is me saying Salagahle Kara Sensei. I hope you invite me again. Well, not invite, I'm just recording this before you have come. So Salagahle anyway. Salagahle.